Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you a way to gain a lot of traffic on your social media videos. More specifically, we'll use Rumble in this example. So I'll show you how you can make money online with your videos on Rumble and how you can get traffic to your videos, because that's exactly how you can get monetized and make money off videos online. Let's go.
So in this video, we're gonna learn how to drive traffic to a Rumble channel or Rumble videos in general, because you know you can get monetized with Rumbles fairly quickly. So let's go to viral. Let's say, you know what, I don't know, I'm gonna put car crash or any video, the car crash accident followers. Okay, let's say this is your video. Okay, that's your video. You want to promote it. It's a 9-minute long video. We know that you cannot have videos that long on YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels or even Pinterest. So what we want to do, we're going to download this video. So let's say this is your video, you want to get views. So you're going to go to share, you're going to copy the link. We'll go here and you will type Rumble video downloader. And you have a few, pick whichever you want. I used that one already, so I'm going to use it again. You just paste your URL and you will download the video. So here we can download it in 360p or 480. It's not really good quality, but let's take that one. Okay, so it's going to download. Perfect. So we have it here, car crash compilation. Now what we want to do, so this is ready, okay? You want to go to a website called InVideo. If you don't have an account, I'll leave the link below. It's completely free. You can get started for free. You can use a free version if you want. And if you don't have an account, sign up. But you could as well do that with Canva. In this video, I'm going to use InVideo. So just get your account, log in. So once you're in your account, you'll go to create new, and it's not showing, but here you go to dashboard, and here it's logged out, and that's why. Okay, let me log in again. Okay, I'm logged in. You go to create new, and you'll go to editor, and we want to create videos for YouTube Shorts, for Facebook Reels, TikTok, etc. So it's portraits, so we'll go to portraits. So here you will browse and find your car crash compilation, which is right here somewhere. We're gonna browse, and it's right here. You'll just open it, and it's gonna take some time maybe for that to be ready here, because it's a 9-minute video. Okay, so once it's ready, you can just drag it over here. And now what we want to do is going to be very simple. You know you cannot post a 9-minute long video in social media platforms such as TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, or even Pinterest or YouTube Shorts. So what you want to do, you just want to trim the video, and it's going to be very good here in this example because this is a car crash compilation. So you're just going to take a small bit of the video a tiny bit just before a crash happens, or you know, something that's gonna make people want to go and see the video. So what we'll want to do, okay, here, look, that looks like a good scene. So we can go here and we'll take a very short clip of it, like 10 seconds max. Okay, so let's go here. Let's play and see. Okay, see, we just need really a tiny piece of it. Alright, so you just pick a 10 seconds max. So let me find a 10 seconds max of a scene. I want something that's just before a crash. Yeah, okay, this looks good. We just want 5 seconds or 10 seconds max. Let's make it super short. Okay, let's play that, see. Okay, we can just keep that if we want to. Okay, so once you have the small clip you want, you'll just go on add here, and now this is gonna be your 8-second video. That's perfect, actually. Okay, so we have that. That's good. It's good enough, but you can pick whatever clip you want of your video, of course. So once you have that, we'll add some text. So we're just gonna add some text. So we can pick here. Place the text here. It's perfect because it's black at the top and at the bottom, so you literally can put lots of text if you want to. Get rid of the logo, but the logo comes with a pro version. So here you can use ChatGPT if you want to find you a text. You can ask GPT. Let's see. Okay, I'm on ChatGPT. Can you write? Okay, can you write a short sentence asking my viewers to watch my car crash video on Rumble? Let's see what it comes up with. You know, it's just, you don't really need to use ChatGPT for a short sentence, but it saves you time sometimes when you just don't have any inspiration. Check out my car crash video for some intense footage. Yeah, you know what, like I wouldn't have thought of intense footage, so let's use it. So we'll copy that, go back here, and you will just put it here. Check out my car crash video on Rumble for some intense footage. So you go here, and here at the bottom you'll add some more text right here. And you know what, because if you don't have 1,000 subscribers on TikTok, let's say, you cannot put a link in your bio, so you can put link in description or more. Link in description, and that's it. Or link in comments. You can put description or comments, whatever you want. So that's good, and you can change this and put it towards the end, and this one you can go like this, and at the start what we can do, we can add something else, like you won't believe what happened, you know. You won't believe what happened. Okay. You won't believe what won't. That's not how you write it. I need to put. Yeah. Okay. You won't believe what happened. Perfect. So now we'll change the duration of this one right here. So now if we play the video, let's play it. Oh yeah, the video is over there. Okay, move that here. I don't even know why that came here. So let's move that here, move that here. That goes at the start of the video. Let's clean that up. Okay, so now it should be fine. So if we go here, you won't believe what happens. Link in description. Okay, we're good. It's ready. You could add some music, but you literally don't need to, because you can add the music from TikTok, Facebook Reels, or the other platforms you're gonna use. Once your small short clip, is ready. Once it is ready, you just simply go to export. If you have the free version, you won't be able to export it in 1080p, but you can export it in 720. So you just export that. And here, as you can see, it's just loading it. All right, our video is ready. As you can see, it's an 8-minute video, and like that, you won't believe what happened. Perfect. Just it's ready. It's been downloaded. So now what you can do, you can just share the link here. You have a shareable link, or what? No, you don't want to share this link. Actually, you want to promote your Rumble video. So you'll go to this video, you'll copy the link, and you'll put it in the comments of your Facebook. So you'll just have to go to Facebook Reels, create a Reels, and post your link in the comments. You just go like put a small description and go to the comments, and then here's the link. Post your link. Do the same. Go to Instagram, go to TikTok, and go to YouTube Shorts as well, and you can do that. And that way, all these people watching those short videos in those very, very popular social media platforms, you can even put that on Snapchat probably. I think you can put the link there as well. I'm not really using Snapchat, but use ChatGPT to create a script for you if you need to, if you don't know what to write. Use InVideo or Canva to create those shorter clips. So just take a small clip of your longer video and then post it in all the social media platforms. And that way you're going to drive traffic to your Rumble channel or your Rumble video, and you'll get views as what you want to get money, because Rumble lets you monetize your videos straight away. So it's the easiest platform to make money off. So that's that for driving traffic to your Rumble videos.
Thanks again for watching this video. If it was useful, as always, please give me some thumbs up, leave a comment below, tell me you found it useful, and subscribe to my channel right here if you haven't done so. And I'll see you next week for a new way of making money online, new tips and tricks. Or if I discover something that's completely amazing, I'll drop a video earlier, but if not, I'll see you next week for the next video. See you guys!